Let's go. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. That left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it. Shake that left and tap it, girl. Bring it back and drop it, girl. Out.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show y'all how I got this nail design. So first off, I'm gonna start by pushing back my cuticles, and that's on period. I got this cuticle pusher. Most everything that I pretty much bought is from AliExpress, except for the top coat and the base coat that came from eBay. Fast and free shipping, $4.99. You feel me? So yeah, but other than that, y'all, pushing back the cuticles. Then I'm taking this needle bit, y'all, and I'm getting all that dead skin up, y'all. It's so much dead skin on here. But yeah, so I'm getting all that up, and then I'm going to use a sanding bit and just take the shine off the nail, prime, dehydrate. And the primer and dehydrator came from where did it come from? Oh, AliExpress, Rosalind. Something I'm trying out. It does a pretty decent job for the most part. So yeah, so after, ignore my hair, y'all, but after that I'm gonna prime, dehydrate, base coat, or put the tips on, as you can see on the right hand side, and then I'm going to base coat it and start with the polygel application. I didn't really know too much of what I was going to do, so this is kind of like on the fly. So yeah, so just keep on watching. I feel like this stuff is pretty self-explanatory, and this video is so freaking long, so just keep watching. Okay y'all, so here you see me clipping the nail tips down. So I was trying to do a shape, but it didn't work, so I had to redo my ring finger, put a different tip on there. But yeah, I'm just cutting down this tip cutter. Got that from Walmart, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, and then I'm gonna try to file the sides of it to get a more sharp shape. And I drilled some of the shiny layer off from the nail as well. So yeah, I kept my mistake in here, BTW, just because I'm not trying to be fake, period. So for this nail, I was going for like a French tip design. So yeah, so I'm just trying to get that nice smile line. And yeah, so that's really what's taking me so long. I'm trying to get a nice smile line, y'all. And then I'm gonna file around it and then start laying the colors in a brick-like motion. And yeah, and I showed you guys before all the polygel colors I have. They're super duper cheap, and when you buy them in bulk, they come super fast. Then on my ring finger, I was going for like a ombre. That was the goal, like an ombre. So yeah, and then my pinky was a regular white, and then I did the negative space nail on my middle finger, and then I did a slanted design, you know, half white, half brick layered, colorful. So yeah, that's really how simple and cute it was. It honestly took a while to lay all the colors, but other than that, it was pretty simple and straight to the point. So keep on watching. Alright now, y'all. Alright, y'all. So here you see me finally getting that crisp shape for that negative space nail, y'all. This nail came out so cute. And I just touched up some of the filing. And then now I'm working on that thumbnail with that slanted design, y'all. It's really cute. I think if I might just start doing short nails, but if I do another long nail set, I definitely think I'm going to do all slanted, because that is cute. It's like I feel it sometimes with the sparkly, but this was like next level. Like, okay, I see what you're doing here. I see what you're doing there. But the key to nails like this is to build the nail up so you have space to file. That's the goal. That's the goal right there. So yeah. And like I said once before, all the polygels came from AliExpress, and if you order like 2 or more, they come in 2 weeks. So I think that's a pretty good deal, and they're only like $2. So I'm gonna link the store to those, in the store where I got these nail tips from, because they came from AliExpress. And that nail glue came from AliExpress, y'all. That is the best nail glue ever. I've used Katie, yes, no. This nail glue, it dries up instantly. You don't have to put too much pressure down or anything. Like, it's really, really nice. So I'm gonna make sure I link those down below. Hook y'all up, you know what I'm saying? Gotta hook my sis up, period. You know, who's trying to spend all this money? Not me. Especially as a beginner. Not me. I'm not making no money from this. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm just perfecting this shape. And when you work with polygel, the best thing is to really work on that cuticle area, because I tend to not do so well with my cuticles, and that's how you get lifting. But here I'm using a lint-free cotton pad to wipe that tacky layer off the nails out. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So with the French tip and the negative space nail, I'm gonna go ahead and cap it with clear. And this clear is so sticky. Like, I don't know if this is for all clears, but this is so sticky. Like, it's really crazy. I use a different brush because I don't need my regular brush getting stuck up like that. And by the way, that brush came from a mini polygel kit. I'm gonna link that one down below because that's only like $3. But yeah, so I'm just capping it, you know what I'm saying, trying to get it all even, like so, like that. Okay, this set came out so cute. Like, really proud of myself, y'all. Oh, and if y'all made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video, and that's on period. Okay, thank y'all to everybody who has subscribed, watched, liked my videos, all of that, because I really greatly appreciate that, because it's really hard out here for a small YouTuber. It's hard, and I get a little discouraged, but honestly, let's get it. You know what I mean? Let's get it. I'm ready. Let's get it. Anyway, y'all, I had so much fun doing this video, doing my nails. It took forever because I was going so slow, but honestly, yeah, it was worth it. And I thank all of y'all, all my new subscribers. I see you. I have that YouTube Studio app. Thank you. I appreciate everybody who comments, who shared my videos, all of that, because it really means a lot to me, and I'm just ever so blessed that somebody, you know, my videos are getting out to somebody. Somebody actually likes my videos. Somebody actually appreciates, you know, somebody making a video. You know, I'm not too Hollywood for the YouTube. I'm not trying to be too Hollywood. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching this video. I hope you guys like the ending. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Have a blessed day.